Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an easy egg white frittata. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 large egg whites, 1/4 cup of milk, and your choice of vegetables. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your frittata cooks evenly. Next, lightly grease an 8-inch oven-safe skillet. This simple step prevents sticking and makes for easy cleanup later. Getting these initial preparations right sets you up for a delicious meal. Now let's prepare your fillings. Sauté your chosen chopped vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, or onions directly in the grease skillet. Cook them over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they become tender. This step brings out their natural flavors and ensures they are perfectly cooked within the frittata. Don't forget to season them well with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs for an extra flavor boost. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk your egg whites and milk together until they are slightly frothy. This incorporates air, making your frittata light and fluffy. Carefully pour this egg mixture over the sautéed vegetables in your skillet, ensuring everything is evenly distributed. Transfer the skillet to your preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the frittata is beautifully set and golden brown on top. Once baked, remove your delicious egg white frittata from the oven. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This helps it set completely and makes for cleaner cuts. You can garnish it with fresh herbs like chives or parsley, or a sprinkle of your favorite cheese for extra flavor. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful frittata.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.